Hi, this is Buy My Money. Today is December 26, 2020, and I have a Christmas special for you today. I broke the E-mini futures. I broke it. I did it. I took a break over the short week for the holidays, but during that break, I've been working on an automated strategy, and with the automated strategy, I think I broke the futures. I think I broke the ES futures. Um, the automated strategy utilizes the two-legged pullback indicator that I've created. It's an indicator that I created for those who do not know to help with my trading for price action. It does things that I find useful automatically, such as counting legs, and also identifies two-legged pullbacks, second entries, and traps as well. And so if you want more information about the indicator, you can check out the official website at www.twoleggedpullback.com. But the automated strategy uses the indicator to execute trades and to give signals for the trades. And so there's a particular setup that I automated that I found to be highly probable. And I'll just tell you right now, this is not even beta testing. This is not even a prototype. This is just me playing around with some stuff and just doing some early stage automation. And this, with that being said, this could use a lot more fine tuning, but was just kind of pretty simple automation with the setup. Um, this is, I was able to uh, create this strategy. So I decided to record it for you guys so you can see all of the trades that the strategy executes. Um, by the way, every trade that's been made will be 5 contracts with a 4-point stop loss and a 1-point scalp. And so, what you'll be seeing is the automated strategy just running through from December 16th through the 23rd. And so it's basically 1 week of trading, the most recent week of trading. If you have ran this strategy 24/7, 1 week from Wednesday, which was the last day of trading this so far, the most recent week of trading, then this would have been the results. And so it's not perfect, of course. There are losing trades during this automation, but hopefully you guys can just see. Already, you can check the top left here. Um, you can see the top left of the screen to see the final performance. This is basically the end state after the week of trading or a week of back testing, the most recent week, and it's up about $3,500, and that's literally doing nothing, just running the strategy. So, hope you guys enjoy, and tell me in the comments what you guys think. If you want to see more videos like this, or if you had a particular strategy you would like to automate using the two-legged pullback indicator, go ahead and put in the comments, and might prototype it for future videos, and just to see the results, to see what's the best automated strategy that we can develop here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and as always, happy trading and God bless.